design of this one. It kind of reminds me of a cafe racer a little bit. This is the first time I've ever seen an electric. Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video at Electrify Expo here in Miami. We stopped by this Tesla booth here. Check out the color on this Model 3. It's almost like a Maduri green with the matching calipers. Yeah, this is nice. I'm really feeling the lip kit on this one here. And the first thing I noticed is that the fenders, the over fenders, have been paint matched, pearl white to match the Model X. And as you guys can see, this front lip here, as well as the side splitters and the rear diffuser. Nice custom interior, as you guys can see in there. Looks really cool. This is just the first booth, so I can't wait to see what else they have here. Right behind me is the Volvo booth right here. Volvo is gonna go all electric now, so no more internal combustion engines. All electric from now on, just a way to help stop global warming. This is the Volvo XC40, a nice crossover SUV. What do you think about this one, Cam?
Little, I guess, yeah.
Little, yeah. What do you think? You like it? What are your thoughts on this one?
Kinda like it.
Kinda like it, okay. So let's check out the interior in this Model 3. Oh wow, all forged carbon.
Yeah.
You know, that's kind of like the Lamborghini Huracan, the Performante, all forged carbon. The same type of style. That is really cool. Nice white concave wheels. Forged carbon all along the back as well. I'm really feeling the stance on this Model S right here. It's a really nice setup. Simple, but really nice as well. So I've noticed this is a very common theme on all the Model X's I've seen out here so far. The SpaceX badge on the back. Really cool touch if you ask me. This is a really cool trike here. Almost reminds me of a slingshot, but electric. I really like the wrap on this one as well. Really cool color, very Miami-esque. If you guys have seen the specs on the Plaids, it's just insane. The quarter mile time on these vehicles are just crazy. I believe there's one on YouTube right now that ran a 9.5 letting off early, or a 9.5 without using launch control in the quarter mile. That's insane. A stock vehicle, 9.5. Where else? And this Plaid in this pearl white just looks so amazing, especially on these wheels. And over here, a Model X, of course, with the beautiful butterfly gold wing style doors. You can never mistake them. Probably one of my favorite things about the Model X are these gold wing doors. Also sitting pretty on a nice set of concave wheels, nice set of Bostons, and the red calipers set it off so well. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon out here in Miami. What more can you ask for? A really nice vibe. In the background over there, we've got the water, a bunch of boats out there, really cool. And right behind me, we've got Cam in the electric bike, having a great time. Taking this one home with you? All right, cool, sounds good. Oh, that one, okay, of course you do. So this behind me is actually something very interesting. I've never seen one of these before. This is actually an electric boat. I've never seen this. Now I've seen electric motorcycles, electric cars obviously, but an electric boat, this is a first for sure. You know, Miami and South Florida has the perfect boat weather, so taking one of these out on the water would be amazing. And it would be so weird to imagine how this would sound on the water. I mean, pretty much there's no motor, no engine behind you, so it'd be all silent, I would imagine. That would be a very different experience, I would think. So guys, we just took a ride on the Zugo bike. Really cool experience, guys. So I've never been on an electric bike before. Today was my first time, and I gotta say it was a really great experience. Electric bikes are like nothing you've ever experienced, and I love the array of colors that they have out here. So right here, they have the white one. We just went for a ride on the red one. Another white one up here. A blue one over there.
He looks so fly on a Zugo bike. Like, this is like, it was made for him.
Thank you, Juls. So Juls was nice enough to allow us to take it for a test drive. I gotta say, it was such a cool experience. This blue one right here really caught my eye. I love this one. So just a really nice array of colors that they have out here. The Zugo bike has a top speed of about 28 miles per hour. pretty fast for a bicycle, 28 miles per hour on an electric bike, and it has pedal assist. So the cool thing about pedal assist is that as you're hitting the throttle and going, you could pedal to go even faster. Super cool design if you ask me. Really easy to ride, not at all anything hard to master. It's just like riding a bicycle. If you know how to ride a bicycle, then you could ride a Zugo bike. Super easy to ride and just a lot of fun. And the acceleration is just really, really quick because it's electric. So literally as soon as you hit the throttle, you're just off. Almost feels like a motorcycle, or like what you would compare it to a motorcycle. Really cool experience. But behind me, guys, check out this view. Views on views, guys. South Florida continuing to do its thing, flexing. How cool is that, guys? Where does it get any better than that? In the background, we have the city skyline over there, and just all the water, all the boats out here. Really cool spot. So over here is another electric bike. I love the design of this one. It kind of reminds me of a cafe racer a little bit. Really cool design on that one. I love the look of that one. I'm about to show you guys something very special. If you guys remember that video that I did at Andres' shop at Cab Customs, there was a really cool VW Karmann Ghia out there. Well, behind me, guys, is another Karmann Ghia, but this one's a little bit different than the last one that we saw because this one is electric powered. Let's go check it out. Yo, check this thing out, guys. There's the charging port right there. Electric Ghia. As you guys can see, the Karmann badge. And look at that interior, guys. So nice. And let's go check out the trunk. Whoa, how cool is that, guys? Wow. So obviously this was converted. Ghias never came electric at that time of the century. They didn't have anything like that this time of day. But how cool is this, guys? And I love this color on this Ghia as well. Super nice. Guys, I cannot get over how cool this thing is. This is amazing. I really didn't think that I was gonna see one of these today. And I really like the retrofit headlights as well. Just a nice update to the VW Karmann Ghia, which is really cool. Super clean. I know a bunch of my friends would really appreciate this. This is awesome. As you guys can see, the batteries and the motor in the back. Completely custom. So this company here does conversions on old school cars, update them, make them electric. Really cool idea. So check this out, guys. An electric scooter company named Aventura, and it reminds me of the Vespa. If anybody's seen Luca, then you probably remember how much they love the Vespas in there, guys. And one of the really cool things about this one is that it looks like a regular scooter, just like a Vespa, but it's electric. Kind of like the Karmann Ghia, it has all the things that we love about a classic design, just updated with an electric motor. So up to date, same classic design that we love. How cool is that?
Two batteries, right?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. It's, if you want it with one battery, it's 3,000.
Okay.
But if you want it with two batteries, it comes 800 more, which is really good because Vespa is like 7,000. The 50 miles, 50 miles.
Wow.
So you go further with this one.
Right.
And at the price that you get it, it's the maintenance, you don't really need the maintenance.
Gotcha.
You know what I mean? It's electrical.
Right.
It's not like the gas, and you don't have to do no oil change and all that stuff. So this is like high tech right now.
Nice. And how long does it take to charge one of these to full charge?
5 hours.
5 hours. Wow.
No, it's 4 hours to charge, and it lasts you at least 5 to 6 hours. For you?
Yeah.
What I think we can do for you is have you go ride it right now. So we're in Trinidad. I'm a Douglas.
Yeah. We're from Jamaica, so you know, we're neighbors.
Oh, yes, Jamaican. Yachty is a yachty.
All right, guys. So it looks like we're gonna get an exclusive ride on one of these. So, guys, I have never been on a scooter before, so this is gonna be a first. So we're gonna go around this whole course right here. We'll see how it goes. I guess. Should be like riding a bike without pedals, so we'll see how it goes. Luckily, as soon as I took off on the Vespa, it was pretty cool. I didn't even put my foot down, so I went through the course, didn't crash. Really cool experience. Okay. But that thing is fast, I gotta say. Like, as soon as you hit the throttle, it just takes off. So Cam is taking the scooter out. Let me zoom in on him, guys, so you guys can see him. He's doing his thing. He's doing a lot better than I did on the moped. Okay, Aiden's about to take her out on the scooter. See, these kids do this, so this is nothing to them, you know what I mean? This is what they're all about. They do this on the regular. They're out here having fun. Really cool course that they have out here. So what'd you think about it?
Interesting.
Yeah, so Aiden's on the course right now. He's also killing it around the course. So we're about to head out, but before we do, I just wanted to show you guys this Volkswagen ID4 in this beautiful color. All electric Volkswagen. Really, really cool. Show you guys the interior really quickly. Nice crossover SUV. Definitely noticed a trend amongst EV automakers lately. Rather than sedans, rather than sports cars, I noticed that there's a lot of EV crossovers. If you look at the Ford Mach-E, that's a crossover. The Tesla Model Y, the ID4, the Volvo that we saw, the XC40. So as you guys can see, I guess there's a market for crossovers. The guys in the parking lot, we saw probably one of the most unique cars we'll see today and probably all year, to be honest, a Tesla Roadster. You guys don't ever see these anymore. This is so cool, especially in this color. Let's swing around, take a look at it. So this is the design based off the Lotus, the Elise. Look at that carbon fiber, that weave, this nice blue. You never see this, guys. And of course, you know, Tesla's coming out with a new Roadster, but it's really cool to see this older model Roadster. I think this is like their, I want to say early 2000s, maybe. So dope, guys. I have never seen one of these in person before. So cool. You know what they say, some of the nicest cars are always in the parking lot. That is super cool, guys. Down further into the parking lot, we've got some more really cool supercars. Now these are not electric cars, but how can you resist? The 720S C8 Corvette, another C8 Corvette right there. How cool is this, guys? A really nice lineup here of supercars at the Electrify Expo. I don't know if you guys can see the interior, that black and blue interior on the Corvette. So sick. And of course, 720S, one of the fastest road cars. Super cool. So guys, we're about to head out. We had a great time. The kids had a great time. Just a really fun experience out here at the Electrify Expo. You guys had a good time? Cam, you had a great time? Nice. Aiden? Michaela, you had a good time? Nice. Beautiful Sunday, perfect weather, right by the water. Guys, and just like that, we reached the end of today's video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to smack that thumbs up. And just like that, I'll see you next time. Peace out.